I wanted to give you an update on what I'm doing with my Boss Women Elite LLC estate account because this has really started becoming a part of my overall business strategy. So, my business account has officially reached level two. So, we're going to talk about it. But first, the content, including any income or results shared, is for example purposes only and is not typical. We do not guarantee any specific income or success. Your results will vary based on your skills, your experience, your effort, and your consistency. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial or business advice. So yes, your girl's business account has hit level two. And what I like about this journey is that I'm literally building this account from the ground up. So I didn't put a huge amount of money into this at once. I'm using money my business is already making and slowly building a separate tokenized real estate portfolio under my LLC. So yes, you can come under here and build under your personal or in your business. I don't want to say or is it's either or it's and. Oh, and is and. So you can do both. Okay. So I want to show you what that looks like and also share something I learned recently that changed the way I'm thinking about money coming out of my estate account. So first, let me explain how I'm funding this. Okay. So outside of estate, my LLC, Boss Women Elite LLC, already generates income. So I have books, I have digital products, my YouTube channel generates income. So I get paid for my YouTube channel. So I'm monetized over there. What are some other ways that we get paid? I work with brands and I also have other things that I create through my personal brand. So, one thing that works in my favor is that I don't have employees and my overhead is super low. Okay. Of course, I still have my normal business expenses. You know, I have software, subscriptions, tool system, taxes, and all those things that come with running a business. But after those things are taken care of, I started looking at the money that's left differently. So instead of like thinking about, or really just only thinking about how I can spend it or leave it sitting in my business account, I want a percentage of that money building something else for my business. So I've been using some of it to purchase tokenized, participation tokens through my Boss Women Elite e-estate account, and now we reach level two because of that, because we also have a promotion too that's going on until September the 3rd. Yeah, I'll put the details down below for you. Right now, that account, my account right now is generated around like the last 2 days have been like $17 a day. So it's like what, $85 a week. Okay. It's not get rich, but it's just think about that. Okay. Just think about that and what it's doing. So now, obviously, now that number is going to change because it's connected to the performance of the asset. So the money, it's going to go up and down. But I'm just sharing what my account is currently showing and documenting my experience. Okay, I can actually show you here in my account. I'm going to go up here to the dashboard and I can show you the last 2 days, which was because I just made because these days right here, I started the count here. I was at $7, 7:30. That's the weekend, and then 8:08, 9:06, 9:38. And the reason why it went up because I made additional purchase. Okay, I made additional purchase. I'll show you all that in another video. But I made an additional purchase to make it go up. So I was 1710 there, 1706 here. Okay. So I'm expecting it to be around that $17. All right. And because I hit level two, I also got a $30 bonus. So I moved all of that to my e-wallet and I'm going to do a video showing you what I plan to do with that. Okay. But going back here, because I'm just so excited about this and just going on this journey with me. But so again, let's go back to the numbers. My portfolio, is going to grow, every month. All of the little pieces that my existing business works now in my business, now that money is generating money for me. Okay. I learned something too we just had an agent accelerator training. And one of the things that came up was taking some of the profits that you would draw from your personal estate account and put in a portion of that into your business. I didn't think about that. And for some reason, I just never thought about that. So when I heard that, it just clicked immediately because now there is potentially two ways that I can continue building my business portfolio. So the first is from Boss Women Elite LLC, generates income through my normal business activities. And second is that when I would draw profits from my personal account, I'm going to take a portion of that instead of putting it into my personal account. I'm going to put it to my business. Okay, then I'm going to use that money to either purchase more tokenized real estate, or I'm going to use it to for payroll and all those things. Okay, it's just so much. My business is making money. I'm taking care of the normal expenses running the business, and I just decide what percentage I want to allocate towards the business that in my estate portfolio. So that money is used to purchase more participation tokens. My portfolio generates income. So when I would draw profits from my business portfolio, those profits can go into a separate business bank account. Okay. All right. And also, I decide also that my business, when it comes to my business as well, I'm thinking about other strategies that I can use as well, such as business credit and all those things. Now, my business is not new, so we've been in existence since 2020, but it's new to e-estate, adding e-estate to it. Okay, and like I said, level 2, I receive your $30. And I also receive 150 ETK. That's our token on the inside the platform. We can spin the wheel. So I already did that. So I spin the wheel already. But this is just beyond exciting. I want to share this so you can see the possibilities. If you're a business owner, you have a business, you can definitely take some percentage from your business. And actually, I don't like using the word invest because I don't like using that word. But just think of that, okay? But you just come over here, you can use that money to make money for you. So while my money is generating income over here and producing income, my business as a whole is already producing income through other sources that I have. So this is so exciting. I'm gonna continue to document, show you what we're doing over here. When we reach new levels and all those great things, I'm learning so much, especially in ILCA. We have a 5-figure club. ILCA is the crypto platform or teacher, and they had ILCA. I don't know why I'm acting like I don't know what ILCA is, but ILCA is headed by Brandon Ivy and Marnita Casa, and they teach us crypto education. It has been a blessing to me, and I really enjoy it. And they have a sector called 5-figure club, and I'm learning some things about that in the 5-figure club about how we can leverage other people's money to make us money too. Okay. I'm not saying I didn't know these things, but you know how you know things and then you hear it again. You're like, oh, okay. So that's where your girl is at. Okay. I'm like, oh, okay. Let's build this strategically. Okay. Let's build this a different way. Okay. So now the things are shifting for my mind. Now I'm not asking how much Boss Women Elite makes. Now I'm like, okay, what can Boss Women Elite build with what it makes? Okay, think about that for your own business. Set some money aside. Come in here, set up your free account. I have a link down below, and you can watch a 3-minute overview on my page as well. You set that up and go in there and browse the properties. Go into the knowledge base and learn all about estate. Join a presentation. After you set up your free account, I will get in contact with you probably via email, and so we can book a call together. I want to hear your goals and how you can leverage this. Okay, how you can leverage estate for your business or even your nonprofit. How can you leverage this to make you more money? Okay. So that's all for now. Thank you so much. Tell me congratulations in the comments. I want to hear from you, and I look forward to continue to sharing this documentation and letting you know where I am. Okay, that's all for this video. Bye for now.